So, guys, as I stopped earlier, I stopped here in internal morphology. So, internal morphology is divided into three different subcategories, guys. So, the first internal morphology is cytology or cell biology. Cytology deals with the study of cells. I hope you understand that, guys. Very good. Please take a sheet of paper and note this down. I know my handwriting might not be that so friendly for now, but it will keep improving as soon as I keep making more videos. Thank you very much for bearing this with me. Histology, that is the second subcategory. This deals with the structure and arrangement of tissues. I hope you understand that, guys. Very good. So the last but not the least subcategory here is anatomy. This deals with the internal growth structure of plants or animals. I hope you get that concept. Very, very good. So, guys, the next one, remember, we talked about number one here, which is morphology, and number two, physiology. I explained it earlier. So, this branch of biology studies life processes. Life processes of growth, respiration. So, basically, this physiology studies the function of human organs, excretion, nutrition, etc. in animals and plants. So basically, if we say what is the physiology of plant leaves? Plant leaves allows the plant to be able to manufacture its own food, which is called photosynthesis. So that is the physiology of plant leaf. Very, very good. So the next one is number three, ecology. I know you are familiar with this term. Very, very good. Unfortunately, a lot of people that is familiar with this term can't even remember the meaning right now. But don't worry, I got your back. This is the study of the interrelationship of organisms between themselves and with their environment. So, very, very good. So, just look at my hand. I'm going to write that down now. Study of the relationship of organisms between themselves and with their environment. So good. Number four, genetics. Basically, if you hear the word genetics, the first thing that comes to your mind is gene and lots more. Genetics. This deals with the study of heredity and variation. Like heredity, it simply means a features or characteristics of a parent that is seen in the daughter's sorry a parent that is seen in his or her daughter or their children. I hope you understand. It could be eyes color, it could be nose size, it could be anything I hope you understand. It could be behavior. It's possible that the parents are calm and the children are not calm. Like, I mean, gentle, generally gentle. So this could lead to hereditary of either their grandfather's behavior or their grandmother behavior, because basically their parents are calm. They are very, very gentle. So I hope you understand that, guys. So in the future, we're going to talk about genetics in full details. So keep following and stay tuned for my upcoming videos, guys. So the next thing now is to talk about taxonomy. So number five term here is known as taxonomy. Very, very good. So five, taxonomy. I hope you can see this, guys. Very, very good. Number five is taxonomy. Taxonomy. This deals with the systematic classification of plants and animals. So basically, when you hear taxonomy, it simply means the classification of plants and animals. Deals with the systematic. I hope you can see the A4 paper. You can see what I'm writing. Very good. Classification of plants and animals. The next thing is number six. Okay, wait. Plant newtology. Plant newtology. Or it depends on how you pronounce it, guys. My own pronunciation method could totally be different from yours. So leave a comment in the video description in order to tell me how I should pronounce some words in order for you to understand it better. No one is perfect. Take note. This deals with the study of ancient organisms through, through the animals or plant fossils. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Very good. Study of ancient, like olden days organism, like dinosaurs and lots more, guys. I hope you understand. All those animals that are totally extinct now, that we can't find them anywhere, or they are endangered species that are they still exist in some part of the world, but they are rarely seen because they are very, very few. Or plant fossil. Very good. So now, biology is closely related with the following under disciplinary subjects. Okay, so biology relatives or biology. Let me just use the term biology relatives, guys. So there are four different types of biology relatives. So the first one, which is A, is biochemistry. You are very, very familiar with this if you are a science student and you are aiming to study a medical course, or you have been hearing it from your seniors. So, very good. Biochemistry. It involves the study of chemistry of living things. I hope you understand. In biochemistry, you will study all about enzymes, chemical reactions, ATP, formation of ATP, breakdown of ATP, breakdown of amino acid, carb, carbohydrate carbohydrate formation, a lot of things. You understand, guys? A lot of things is present and incorporated in biochemistry. It's actually a very good subject. Take your time to learn it. It's not hard. You just have to take your time to learn it. I hope you understand me, guys. Very, very good. Most of you guys, every subject you hear the word chemistry in, at the first instance, you get scared. Why? Chemistry is a very, very good subject. I love chemistry. All true, I might not be getting accurately the highest mark every time, but to be honest with you, I love chemistry and I know I will keep trying my possible best to be the best version of myself. I want you to be the same thing as well, guys. So the next term here is biophysics. Basically, if you hear the word physics, it deals with calculation. It deals with the study of principles of physics as seen in organisms and as application in the field of space biology, soil science, and radiation biology. Radiation simply means, or let me say, um, an, an element that is emitting radiation continuously, e.g., uranium. So all these um chemicals or all these compounds out there that emit radiation are highly explosive and are used to manufacture deadly weapons. So basically, when you hear the word radiation, radiation is also beneficial if we look at it in the medical aspect, because radiation are we are using it. For example, those of you guys that study radiology, you understand me better in this aspect. They are able to convert a lot of rails into a machine, or let me just say they are able to produce an x-ray machine. You are very familiar with this. If you have been to an hospital, I'm very sure you're going to know about what x-ray means. So for example, someone got an accident, a very fatal accident, and oh god, sorry guys, I have to cross this right now. This is wrong. I am writing the second. Sorry, please pardon me on that. So there are different type of rays actually. Alpha ray, beta ray, gamma ray, and some other rays. And all these rays, the difference between them is the ability of them to penetrate into a substance. For example, alpha ray can't penetrate that much. Beta ray can penetrate a little bit more than alpha ray. And gamma ray can penetrate through a patient's skin, even to the other part of the body, in order to see the organs, to see the broken bones, and all those things. The reason why I'm explaining this right now is to save the time while I'm writing all the necessary things you need to know about biophysics. I hope you understand, guys. And I always want you to know something, guys. Nothing is wasted. Anything you learn, always know one day you're going to need it. So before you scroll or before you pause this video and move to a next one, please take your time to listen to me and try to understand the concept of what I'm putting forward to you guys today. This video might be up to 40 minutes, even up to an hour, but I am sacrificing this time to help you all out there. It is not really that I am that so free, but I love what I do and I feel I should spread love by making videos of what I love doing mostly, and to help you guys learn more and to build your knowledge to a very greater level. So, soil science, I'm almost done writing these guys, and radiation biology. So, the next term now, I will just explain them. I won't write them again because I can see this writing is taking so much time. So, C, biometrics. Biometry. So, biometry, I will explain it now. I'll just explain it. I won't write it. I won't write the full details in this A4 paper now, just to save time. So biometry, sorry guys. Biometry. This deals with the study of collection and analytics of biological data available in genetic and physiology. So, available in genetics and physiology. Genetics and physiology. So, that is the only thing I'm going to write. Physiology. So, aerobiology or aerobiology. This deals with the scientific and multidisciplinary approach focused on transport of organism and biological significance or significant materials, and also with their source, release in atmosphere and allergic properties. Okay, so now I'm going to write source, release in atmosphere, and allergic properties. Very good. So allergic properties. So the next thing is applied biology. Application of biology is known practically for the human welfare, is known as applied biology. I hope you understand that, guys. So this is a different concept entirely. So I just want you to take note of that. Applied biology. Applied biology. So just take note of this, guys. Just take note of this. So the next thing to talk about is applied biology is divided into the following subclasses. So now I'm going to show you the subclasses in which applied biology is divided into. It's divided into 5 subclasses. Subclasses number 1, agriculture. 2, horticulture. 3, fishery. I'll explain them one by one, guys. Don't worry. Just don't worry. Forestry. For example, conservation and lots more. Like, in order to enhance the production of timbers, we have to reduce the rate of bush cutting, which is afforestation, deforestation, afforestation, like the planting of woods, in order to prevent a lot of things, like in order to prevent erosion, in order to prevent flood, and lots more. So, guys, number one that we're going to talk about now is agriculture. Agriculture, dealing with cultivation of crop plants for better yield. So the thing I'm going to do now is in a bracket sorry, crop plants. I already explained it. So the next thing is horticulture, dealing with cultivation of fruits and flowers yielding plant. Okay, sorry, dealing with the cultivation of fruit and flower yielding plants. So bracket fruit and flower yielding plant. Yielding plant. Yeah, very good. So fisheries dealing with the study of culture, development and propagation of fish foods. So in brackets, propagation of fish food. Fish food. By the way, uh, very, very little fish are called fingerlings. They could be just 1 week old or more. So, guys, let me proceed to the next one, which is fishery. Fishery. I'm sorry, forestry. Forestry dealing with the study of expulsion and conservation of tree. You see, I just said it earlier that conservation of trees is divided into various categories: afforestation, deforestation, and lots more. So now I'm going to write conservation of forest. So, very good. Medicine. Dealing with the study of the causes and cure of disease. So we are able to use various plants or under biology, the study of medicine. To all the medical doctors out there, I wish you good luck and I wish you many years of success in what you are doing. Thank you very much for stopping by. I'm very, very happy to have you all here. Irrespective of how young or how old you are, I'm very, very happy to have you all here. Thank you once again. Good. So, causes and cure of diseases. So, the next aspect I'm going to talk about now is I just want to be fast. Applied biology, sorry, applied botany. You remember, botany simply says the study of plant. So applied botany or economical botany. This deals with the study of economical valuable plants and their products. Within botanical knowledge is utilized for the well-being of mankind. Very good. Plants are known to constitute the environmental right from, from the down of human race. Human being at the most primitive stage of their development were totally dependent on plants. Plants are autotroph. Autotrophic organisms are able to manufacture their foods by themselves, while animals are heterotrophs. That is, they depend on already made food which are getting from plants and animal. Animal get their food from plants. Basically, that causes us to have this so-called cycle of life. Very, very good. And it's divides into food chain, food web. Guys, stay tuned with me. You're going to learn a lot of fun topic in biology. I'm going to be very, very happy to have you here in my next tutorial. Very good. So, yeah, I will proceed now from where I stopped just now. And primitive stage of their development, where totally develop dependent on plants on their on plant as their main source of food, clothes and shelter. You know, some people out there actually cultivate plants I am not making jest of anybody. Be proud of whatever you do. There are people out there, like farmers out there, that cultivate plants in order for them to make a living. But I want to surprise you guys. All the manufacturing companies that manufacture drugs, medicine, irrespective of how expensive the drug could be, they also need farmers as well. So, if your parents are farmers right now, be very, very happy of yourself and be proud of what your parents do. Never be sad for what your parents do. Your parent occupation is very, very, very crucial, irrespective of whatever they do, except they are not, unless they are not into drug or any other bad things. Be proud of them. Very, very good. And motivate them to do more. Very, very good. So, with the increased capacity of cultivation sorry cultivation, human life has become more dependent on plants, as will revealed by the specific study of economical important plants. It is needless okay sorry it is needless to say that human life has become more comfortable, secure and healthier to a great extent due to plant only. I hope you understand that, guys. Yes, exactly. That is a raw fact. The last but not the least subcategory I'm going to talk about here today is divided into one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight, sorry, six different aspects. So this aspect is, I'm going to write this subcategory now. Economical economic botany has been divided into the following subclasses. Into the following subclasses. Sorry, I don't have a very, very good ruler, so that's why I'm using my hand. In my next video, I'll get everything necessary to make the video even much better and for you to have a fantastic experience on this learning journey. Thank you very much for understanding. So, the first subclass or the first subcategory is pharmaceutical biology. The first the first subcategory is pharmaceutical biology. The second one is plant pathology. The third one is plant breeding. When you hear the word breeding, is simply means the planting or sorry, the propagation of a specific plant. For example, breeding of hen, breeding of fish simply means you are breeding them for a purpose, either to earn more from them while disposing them, like discarding them by selling them or anything you do with them. Simply means you are breeding them. I hope you understand. Or you could just breed them for consumption only. So pharmacognosy. I will explain all these terms one by one and I'm going to give you an assignment in this video and I want you to do the assignment. Please be honest with me. I might not see you, but I need you to help me in order for me to help you, do not check any textbook. Once you play this video and you enjoy this video, pick up a pen and a white sheet of paper. Solve the question I'm going to say. I think about 4 to 5 questions. I'm going to say it by the last section of this video. So guys, F, bacteriology. That is E. F, agricultural botany or agronomy. Agronomy. Very good. So these are the six types, or these are the six subcategories, guys. So the first one, which is pharmaceutical botany. Pharmaceutical botany, it is the botanical study of drugs, species, and poisonous plants. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to write drugs, species, or spices. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Spices. Sorry, guys. Spices and poisonous plants. Very good. So the next thing is plant pathology. Plant pathology, dealing with the disease of plants along with their diagnosis, cure, and prevention. So I'm going to write diagnose here, cure, and prevention. So plant breeding deals with the hyd- hybridization of crossbreeding of plants. Produce new or improved variety of plants. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Like crossbreeding of plants to get a better quality plant, for example, that that produce more, like that reproduce more, in order for you to get more income converted from that specific plant. So the next thing here is pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy, dealing with the study of crude drugs, mainly of plant origin, with a special reference to their cultivation, collection, preparation for market, standardization of standardization and storage. I hope you understand that, guys. Very, very good. Bacteriology, a branch of microbiology dealing with the study of bacteria. This is what I'm explaining now. Bacteriology. So, and take note, in my next video, my handwriting will be more legible than this. It's a promise from Emmanuel. So the next one, which is F, agricultural botany or agnomy. Arognomy. Aronomy. Sorry. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I really, really appreciate your time. You are able to follow me on the journey, starting from all the way from the explanation of biology, all the way down to morphology, all the way down to external morphology, internal morphology, physiology, ecology, genetics, all the way down to taxonomy and The other aspect, biology relatives, all the way down to biochemistry, biophysics, biometry, aerobiology, subclasses, agriculture, horticulture, fishery, forestry, medicine, and economical botany has been divided into the following subclasses, which are pharmaceutical biology, plant pathology, plant breeding, pharmacognosy, bio sorry bacteriology, and agricultural botany or agronomy. Thank you very much for watching once again. So guys, this is the question you are going to attempt. Please frame, pause this video. I want you guys to attempt this question right here from this textbook. The first question is number one, what is biology? What do you what do you study? Why do you study it? Define the various branches of biology. That is the next question. How biology is related to pharmaceutical subjects? Yes, explain that as well in the comment section. I'll be very, very happy to give you a very good rate out of 100%. Please try your possible best to be honest while answering the question. Do not check the internet. Very good. So, what is applied biology? How is it subclassed? I want you to explain that as well in the video description. Define the following: biometry, pharmacognosy, biophysics, biochemistry, and applied biology. So number six. So guys, this is the five questions I'm giving you guys today. Take note of this question, freeze frame now. Take a screenshot, pick a A4 paper or a white paper, attempt this now, and type your answer in the comment section. Thanks for stopping by. Love you all and let's keep learning. Thank you.